Hi.
Actually, she is Rukmin. I don't know you are aware about not or not. She is already
Oh, sorry.
doing a job in Hyderabad. Recently, she joined our channel and she is with us to take your interview. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for joining early.
Okay.
First of all, could you please introduce yourself?
Okay. Thank you for giving me chance that introduce myself. My name is Pooja Prashant Martin, and I have completed my BE in 2015. After that, I got married and came to Pune. And after that, I worked in 1 year experience in teaching field. After that, pandemic situation is arrival, so there is a gap between my career in my career. So before 6 months I completed my course, that is software testing. And
Okay.
in that course they teach me manual testing as well as automation testing, starting with Java.
Okay.
After that I upload my CV on various websites, but there is no calls from that sites. So I saw that your videos. In that videos, you told us to conduct that mock interviews. So I mailed you. Yeah, luckily, you replied me. Thank you for that giving me chance to interview
Okay.
with
Okay.
you,
Uh,
interact with you.
you
Yes.
as I seen your resume in my different mobile. So you passed out in
Your
2015.
voice is not clear.
Yeah, 2015 Aurangabad University, right?
Sorry.
Aurangabad University, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Which
Yes.
college you
From university.
which college you passed out?
TPCP, sir.
Sorry?
Tena Public Charitable Trust.
Okay, Terna. Okay. I also passed
Yes.
in 2015 Sres
Actually,
College of
Pooja, you
Engineering.
have a network issue, I think. Not getting your voice properly.
Network.
Rukmin, I'm getting this her voice properly.
Okay.
Okay. I'm also
Okay,
passed
now
in
now it's the
2015 in Sres College of Engineering. 2015 Aurangabad. Okay, no issue.
Yes.
Okay, Rukmin, you can continue.
yes, yes. Pooja, just tell me, you have experience, work experience in testing, or you just did your course?
Not actually working, but I completed that course, 6 duration of that
Okay,
course.
Okay.
okay, okay.
Yes.
Yes, fine. That is fine. Okay, just tell me, what is sanity testing from a manual part?
Sanity testing.
Yeah.
Okay. Not smoke testing is in my mind, but not getting the sanity testing. After regression testing, we
Okay.
do sanity testing.
No. Just okay. You can explain that smoke testing.
Okay. When the developer send that build from initial stage, that time we do the smoke testing. It saves our tester times.
Yeah, but in that smoke testing, what we do actually?
We check
Can you
that
explain? Yes.
we check that the build is properly working or not.
Okay. Any example related to it in your mind, or in that any types or something related to smoke testing? Which things we have to test in smoke testing?
If their e-commerce site, uh,
Okay.
that time we check that login function is properly working or not. We can
Okay.
we can check that mail address or mobile number in that field, and then check that login function is properly working or not. That's it.
Okay. Just explain me that that is a functional testing. Functional testing. In that types of a functional testing.
Functional Okay. Functional testing means that the exact function of that application we can check. In that functional testing, we can say that black box testing is a functional testing. I
Okay,
will just
in that,
confuse.
can you explain me the inter-system testing, inter-system testing,
No idea
or
about it.
behavioral coverage? Okay, what is usability testing? O- Okay, what is retesting? Retesting.
Retesting. Okay, okay. One thing, 1 minute. Retesting means we if we done previous testing about that application, if we uh, if we done that retest about that application, if already tested application, we retest that application is nothing but retesting.
Okay, what is RTM? Or requirement traceability matrix, we can say.
Yes, traceability matrix.
Okay, just tell me the what is severity and priority. Who decide the severity and who decide the priority?
Priority is decided by project manager and severity is decided by QA, that is QA quality analyst.
Okay,
And
are you sure about the priority?
yes, project manager, yes.
Okay, okay. Just move to the our next part, that is Java and our OOPS concept. In Java, just explain me the member function from Java part.
Member,
Member function or method, which method we are using in Java.
various methods are there are 5 methods: written type method, simple method. Are you asking like that, ma'am?
No, no, no. I'm not asking like that. I'm asking related to main method, that is business method, and regular method in that static method and non-static method. I'm asking related to it. Yes, in business method we use that public static void main string args at the time of programming. That is our business method, or we can say main method.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that, I am asking you that like that. Just tell me the syntax of a static method and non-static method.
Static
How
method
to
and
call
non-static.
static method or how to call non-static method.
Okay. Static method by we can call it its class name.
Okay, just
And
tell me the proper syntax.
syntax. Okay. If the method is static, there is no need to create object, so we can directly call it by its class name, ma'am.
Yes, but using class name, how you have to write
A
that?
if the class name is A, then we call it a dot Java.
Okay, then what is a Java in that? A dot Java means A is your class name, that right? And then what is a dot Java in that?
It is the extension of that file, ma'am.
I'm asking in a programming, how we call it. Okay, fine, no issue. Just explain me the data types in Java.
Data types. Okay. Primitive data types and non-primitive data types.
Yes, yes, yes. That.
Yes. Okay. Uh, Integer, float, character, double, boolean, long, byte.
Okay. Just explain me the variables and types of variables in brief.
Uh, I didn't get that point.
Okay,
Variables.
from OOPS concept, just explain me the polymorphism and its types with example.
Polymorphism. One name, many form is nothing but polymorphism. And what is the next question, ma'am?
Types. In that another, what is type of a polymorphism with example?
Okay. We can achieve polymorphism by overloading and overriding. And types of polymorphism. No idea.
Okay. Just explain me the what is a class and what is object. How to create a object of a class.
Okay. Uh, Class is nothing but a one type of entity. We can use
Just tell me how to create object.
object.
Syntax for that.
Object. Class name
Okay.
variable is equal to new and that class name.
Okay.
If the
After
class
that,
name
what we have to write?
sorry, if the class name is A, then the variable is small a. A is
Okay.
equal to new a and the rounded bracket and then semicolon ends with the
Okay.
semicolon.
And yes, yes. And after that, what we have to write?
To what what name?
What we have to write? You said me that class name variable equals to new class name, right?
Yes,
After
yes.
that, what we have to write?
Uh,
What is the next step? I'm asking.
Semicolon. After that, we end with that line that
Yeah.
semicolon ends with a semicolon.
Yes. Yes. Actually, no, Pooja. There is. We have to take that object dot our method name to
Yes,
call
a
that
dot variable
method.
name dot method name. That I
Yes. Yes.
didn't get.
That was my
Variable
question.
or
And
we can call that method
yes.
also.
Yes. And that is the syntax of our static method, which I
Yes,
have
yes.
already asked you that question. Yes. And for our just for static method, that is syntax of a non-static method. And for static method, class name dot our method name. That was the syntax of
A
that.
dot
Okay.
N1
Just
like that.
yes, yes. Just move to the selenium part. Okay. Just explain me the drop down.
A drop down syntax.
No, no. Just explain in brief.
Uh,
Okay. Just explain me the iframe. Iframe.
iframe. We can move one frame to another frame that we use that frame concept. Man.
Okay, okay, but which steps are in that iframe? Which steps or which syntax of iframe? What things we are using in to get our next iframe?
Okay.
Yeah.
Context. Not exactly. Context in my mind, but not that word.
Okay, no issue. Just explain me synchronization.
Synchronization means if we visit any websites, that page is not properly load on that system. That is nothing but the synchronization. If we if in Selenium, that problem is avoided by the wait concept. Uh, that is
Okay, in that types we have to explain in synchronization which types are there.
uh, wait, implicit wait, explicit wait, and fluent wait.
Okay. For which we have to use implicit weight and for which things we have to use explicit weight. Just tell me the scope of that weights.
Okay, if there is a condition, expected condition, that time we use expected weight and explicit weight, and implicit weight we use regularly, ma'am. If the page
Okay,
is not,
which oops concept is used in that way, in explicit and implicit way? Which oops concept we use?
uh, method name same, but different parameters.
Okay, no issue.
But
Yes.
it's
Okay. You are aware about API testing?
not so much, but little bit.
Okay, no issue. And database related to database, you have idea related to database?
Yes, but there is a five methods. I know that five methods only, ma'am. Create,
Oh,
drop, delete, like that.
okay, no issue. Okay, just yeah. Who decide the implicit weight and who decide the explicit weight? Can you tell me that?
Uh,
Uh, okay, Pujan, no issue. Yes, Pradeep, done from my side.
Okay, great. I'm asking Pooja very basic questions. Okay, as we went through your interview. So, what is the basic need of software testing? Why we need to do the software testing?
we need software testing. The software is bug free, and if the software is cost is less for that software, and we
See, if any interview asks you these questions in the real-time interview, in a single sentence, you can say the main motto behind for the software testing is to deliver the quality product to the client. Okay,
okay,
within a single sentence. If
yes,
you are trying to saying correct, no issue. But again, interview will ask you the what is bug. Do you know the what is bug?
okay,
Do you know the what is bug?
yes. Bug is nothing but 1 minute again.
Yes, take your time.
Problem arises from sorry, bug is nothing but we can say that expected result. We cannot get the expected result.
Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, as per your opinion, is there any difference between bug and error, or both are same?
No, no, both are different. Error means machinery mistakes like that. If there is a problem from typing mistakes or with syntax mistake, that is nothing but error. But bug is not like error. Bug is what is the actual performance of that software. Uh, we cannot get the actual result.
Okay. Okay, no issue.
That's it.
Okay. Uh, can you tell me the steps of STLC?
Sorry,
Steps,
STLC.
yes.
Mm.
How could you test the software?
Re- Requirement analysis. Uh, Requirement analysis, planning, designing, coding, uh, testing, and deployment.
Okay. Uh, okay, take one scenario. You found a bug. Okay.
Mm.
And you report the bug to the particular developer, but that developer not accepting your bug. So, what will be your approach?
Okay. Uh, we I in that situation I check that bug is properly sorry, I check that bug, what kind of bug is this, is it affect our other functionality or not. I screenshot that page or that bug and send it my senior after our daily meetings or daily uh, scrum meeting. In that I tell that issue to my seniors.
Okay, correct, correct.
That,
Good. Okay, no issue. Uh, what is the exploratory testing? Okay, exploratory testing means there
I
is no any criteria.
yes.
So you just explore the things. You have to no need to mind it any documentation. Just explore the testing as per your mind. So
Okay.
when any
In
new
explore testing.
yes any newcomers join your organization or your team, so that time we do the exploratory testing or the explore the
Oh,
applications. Okay. Uh, okay. Do you know the severity and priority?
yes.
Okay, I'm not asking exact question, but I'm just
Yes.
give you the one scenario. Uh, can you tell me the high level scenarios of lift?
Uh,
Lift.
lift.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Lift. High
How
scenario.
could you check the
Uh,
lift?
check that functionality of that numbers. There are numbers in that lift to upside or downside. Check that the sensor is working or not,
Correct.
and check that there is a lights or fans are working or not properly,
Okay.
and that's-
See, there is many scenarios you can tell. Uh, you can check the quality. You can check the down up speed.
yes,
Main,
I told.
yeah, main thing is that suppose the door is going to close and someone try to enter in the so that
That
time that
is the sensor partner. So
yes, it need to be stopped. Okay, that's the correct.
it needs to be stopped. Okay,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
that is important.
uh okay, no issue. Rest of things I'm just asking to high levels, that's okay, no issue. uh, Security, what do you know about the security testing?
Oh, yes.
So, see, security testing means you have to check the how the your product or your application or your software is secure. So, and in that you need to check the authorization, authentication, and the access control. So, this is the security. It's related to the security testing. So, how the your product or your software secure, that need to be checked in the security testing.
Security testing.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Can I ask something about SQL? Or
I can't revise.
okay,
I told you.
okay, no issue.
But,
I will give one more example. You are going to download some file from the
okay.
internet, and suddenly your internet got disconnected.
Yes.
Okay, and after some time you are online again,
Yes.
and your file downloading file going to be disconnected. So at that situation, what will be your severity and what will be the priority?
What will be the severity and priority?
Yes.
Okay, my severity is to download that file again. Sorry, check that connection
I'm
is
asking
from.
severity means I'm asking to you the what will be the it's you are online. You got my question first.
What?
Okay.
But I
So what
can't
will be the
understand
severe
what to explain.
if you are going to online again? So the file should be downloaded. Suppose it's file is 50 MB. So when you initially you are downloading and it's downloaded 30%. So okay. So when you going to online again, so it need to be start from 30%, right? Not from zero.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
So at that situation, what
yes.
will be the severity and what will be the priority of that?
Priority is to complete downloading for that file, to complete the file downloading, and severity is
See, I'm asking it's high severity or high priority or low severity or low priority. That thing I'm asking to you.
okay. I think that the priority is high
Okay, and severity?
and severity is low.
How
There is
can you?
no effect.
Okay, okay, that's okay. But can you tell me how you are telling severity will be low and priority will be high?
Because there is no this file is not completely downloaded,
Okay.
so it is not affected to other functionality. It
Yes.
is still remaining, and
Okay.
whenever it stop, then it will be again reload from that particular stop position right now, right there.
Okay.
Continue procedure.
Okay. 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 No issue. That's it from my end as well. So, if you
Okay.
have any questions for us, you can ask us.
Okay. In which part I improve myself, sir?
See,
I
Pooja, you are lagging with your confidence, and so if you are able to answer such a question, so you have to see in a camera. If you are interviews in virtually, so if you are in the face-to-face interview, so you have to look in the eyes of your interviews. So
yes.
basic things you need to brush up once again. Okay.
Okay.
uh, do not see here and there while giving the interview. Try to see the in the camera if you are in virtual interview. Okay. uh, just try to brush up your all the knowledge. Okay,
Okay.
rest of things it's good. Rukmin, from your end?
येस येस जस्ट पूजा आता मी मराठीमध्येच बोलते. जस्ट
Okay.
हा
Okay.
हा हा तर बेसिक म्हणजे मला असं वाटतं की बेसिक क्लिअर नाहीये. थोडस फ्लो वगैरे बघ एकदा की सॅनिटरी कधी